If you want to send professional newsletter to your contact in GoHighLevel but don't know how to start or where to start, then don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create and send a newsletter so your audience stay informed and engaged, even if you are new in the GoHighLevel. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So you can get all of this from the description link. Now let's get back to the video. Here, once you are inside your GoHighLevel account, just go to the marketing from the left side panel and you can see there is an option to campaign. Just move to the here and head over to this new button and click on this. You will find there are three options: blank, email marketing template and your template. In this tutorial video, I am going with this email marketing template, and as a newsletter I am selecting this template, so just clicking here. So now you can change all of these things. You can change the logo, you can change the background image, you can change this paragraph title, each and everything. So after customizing all of these things, just click on this send or schedule. So let's click on this. Now just click on this schedule for the scheduling this email, or if you want to send this immediately, then you can go with this send now, but I am going to select this one. Now here I'm just keeping the time as it is. Now just set the email, I mean the admin email, our email here, then sender name Easy Access Tech, then subject line is, then write your subject line, and now there is the main part to choosing the contact. So there is an option to choose your contact one by one, or if you want then you can select all of your contact by clicking here. I have 221 contact in my GoHighLevel, so I'm not going to go with all of the contact because I only want to send this email newsletter to my members or to my contact who bought our newsletter service. So you can set that from this send to smart list or choose the contact from tag. So if you add the tag in the contact as a newsletter audience, so you can, if I show you, so I'm just selecting one, and if I click on this plus icon, you can see there are tag here. So if I set before as a newsletter, I can see here and I could select that. So I don't have, so I'm going with this smart list and click on this add here, and let's say this all of my newsletter audience or customer. So clicking on this and it will automatically select all of the contact. Then if you want, then you can all of these additional settings to track your click or the adding tag, all of these things. Now simply click on this schedule and it will automatically send to your customer's email at the right time which you set as the schedule timing. So that's it. Basically your newsletter is now live in GoHighLevel and you can set it to your specific customer. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and let me know in the comment section what type of newsletter you are sending. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.